It's me, Zay4Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. I've got this thing assembled. I did find instructions in the end. The most interesting thing is when I plug the charger into the power supply into the wall socket, there's a click. Yeah, you hear that click? Don't know what that's all about. So let's turn it on. And there seem to be 3 or 4 different settings, well, several different settings. So I'm going to try several different settings on the power supply, and I'm going to try and square the ends of this, and we'll see what happens. Well, that cut looks a lot squarer than what's there, but it's obviously a little bit too thick for the saw table. Still, what we can do is line it up like that and then rotate, and we'll see what happens. That looks a lot squarer, and it's quite a nice smooth end. Let's try it again with this end. Line this up again. There we go. And again, nice smooth cut. Now, if I move this a little bit closer like that, yeah, that should be about right. Oops. Well, I probably don't need that. So let's try and see what happens now. That's quite a nice cut. So let's try it again, like that. Well, I didn't get it quite square, but that actually cuts very nicely. And the blade doesn't get too hot either. So on the whole, that cuts wood quite well. I didn't put the metal cutting disc in yet, but I could. I'm just not going to right now. So on the whole, I'm really quite impressed by this little thing.